Welcome to the Jewellery Muse channel. In today's episode, we'll discuss a gemstone that is not only beautiful but also famous for its healing properties. Amethyst. Amethyst is a semi-precious stone known for its royal violet or lavender color. Its name originates from the Greek word amethyst, meaning not intoxicated. In ancient times, people believed this stone protected them from negative energies and stress. The combination of amethyst with silver is not only visually stunning but also enhances the natural energies of both materials. Amethyst is known for promoting relaxation and mental clarity, and when set in silver, it becomes a symbol of timeless elegance and spiritual balance, ease and stress. At the Jewellery Muse, we create handmade jewelry that is truly unique. Each piece reflects the hard work and dedication of our artisans. Amethyst jewelry is designed for everyday wear, effortlessly pairing with both modern and traditional outfits. If you're looking for a gemstone that brings beauty along with a spiritual touch, amethyst is the perfect choice. Best of all, it makes an ideal gift for any occasion, be it birthdays or anniversaries. So, which amethyst jewelry design did you like the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you'd like to see more unique jewelry, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video with a new gemstone. Until then, shine bright with the jewelry.